Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to add the Greek letter theta to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So theta is the 8th letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase theta, and the LaTeX code here is a backslash followed by lowercase t, H-E-T-A. Now to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run the cell, we have the lowercase theta here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. And we can also add a capital theta. So that is a capital T for the LaTeX code, followed by lowercase H-E-T-A with a backslash before the capital T. Now to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before LaTeX code and $2 symbols after. So when we run the cell, we have a capital theta here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add a lowercase and capital theta to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.